Look at a butterfly. Yeah, video. I got plenty of butterfly, guys. No, in my garden. Look at that. So, for today's video, guys, is I'm going to harvest some of the carrots so I can make a salad. So let's find out, or let's find a bigger one. Okay, so just hold tight. I really want to get this in here, guys, because did you see that it's already up? So let's take that out, this one. Yeah. Jiggle slowly. Yeah, go put these eggs up. Okay, dogs. Oops. So now I need to fight this. Oh my goodness. I prefer not to, but I have to. You can see it, guys. Sorry that this one is huge. Wow, it's huge. That huge, but we need to wiggle. Look at that. Oh, see, huge. So get that one. Let's get more this two. Oops, it's too small. So this one is not growing good. In here, this one is growing good, but the rest, guys, is not. So let's take more. So I'm using this now. So let's take the two, because I already removed that. So wow, looks like this one is long or nothing. Take some of it in here too, that it's already both. See, for the salad. So I'm preparing salad today. Okay.